Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
Mr.
morning,
Morning,
Mister.
Mister.
How are you this morning?
Fine, Mr.
Fine.
Fine.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Have you breakfast?
Yes, Mister.
Yes,
Yes,
Mr.
Mister.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, now students, before we continue our material today, yeah, let's pray together. Amen. All right. Yeah. Now I would like to check your present list. Franz Jason Swarubu,
Present, Mr.
Jolin Putra Abadihia,
Present, Mister.
Arta Gula, Welly Christina Gula.
Present, Mister.
Okay. Okay, students. Yeah. Now I would like to review you about the last material. Yeah. Okay. This is the last material. I would like to review you. Yeah. What's the last material we learned?
The descriptive text.
Okay, descriptive text. How about the others?
Yes.
Learn about the text.
Learn about this text.
Okay. So your answer is true. Yeah. Last week we learned about descriptive text. Yeah. Last week we learned about descriptive text, especially for describing place. Yeah. Okay, good. The second questions. What's the communicative purpose of descriptive text?
Mister.
Okay, Noberta, please.
The communicative purpose of descriptive text is how to describe and reveal a particular person or people, thing, and place.
Oh, great, Noberta. How about the others? Do you have another opinion about the communicative purpose of descriptive text? No, okay. Thank you, Noberta.
Oh,
Let's see this slide. The communicative purpose of descriptive text is how to describe and refer a particular person or people, thing, and place. Ya, how to describe. Ya, bagaimana menggambarkan. Ya, how to describe like person or people, thing, and place. Last week, yeah, we learned about descriptive text, how to describe a place. Yeah. Okay, students. Now, yeah, before I tell you about the objective learning atau learning objective, look at these pictures. Yeah. Comprehend it. Yeah. Amati. Yeah. This is the first pictures. And this is the second picture. Okay, based of the first and the second pictures, yeah, what do you think about this one? Or what do you think about the pictures? because based on the picture, yeah, it is about our material today.
Mister.
Okay, please, Arta.
Announcement.
I think this is like announcement.
Oh, the picture like announcement, yeah. Okay, great, yeah. Great, Arta. Thank you. How about the others?
The first picture, Mister.
Yeah, the first pictures and also the second pictures, yeah.
For Mister.
Oh, please.
After I comprehend the picture, the first picture is I look someone is announcing something.
Oh, great, yeah. I will
Yes.
improve. Yeah, I will improve your statement. Not look, yeah, but see, yeah. See, I see, yeah.
Oh, see.
Mm.
I see. Oh.
Okay, next. The second
For
picture.
the second feature, this is like a board. In the board is have the announcement.
Okay, okay, thank you. Great, yeah. Franz Jason. Yeah, based on your explanation from the first and the second picture, I would like to conclude that it is about announcement. Okay, thank you. Yeah, from your answer, yeah, our material today is announcement. Yeah, announcement. Yeah. Okay, all right, students. Yeah. Before I explain more or we study more about our material today, ya, saya akan memberitahukan apa tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini. Ya. Yang pertama, ya, melalui pembelajaran Discovery Learning, peserta didik mampu mengidentifikasikan fungsi berbentuk pengumuman dan memberi informasi terkait kegiatan sekolah sesuai konteks penggunaannya. Yang kedua, melalui pembelajaran Discovery Learning juga, peserta didik mampu menjelaskan struktur teks berbentuk pengumuman. Ketiga, mampu memandikan unsur kebahasaan. Keempat, mampu menggambarkan informasi tersirat terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan. Dan tujuan pembelajaran khusus keterampilan, setelah Anda mempelajari materi ini nanti, Anda atau peserta didik mampu menyusun teks khusus berbentuk pengumuman terkait kegiatan sekolah sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Jadi, itu adalah tujuan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini. Ya. Okay, now we continue. Ya. Okay, students. Now, please comprehend the text, yeah, that I sent in Google Classroom, and also you can see in this slide. Ya. Silakan pahami teks yang sudah saya bagikan di Google Classroom. Ya, di situ ada beberapa teks. Silakan dipahami. Ya. Ada 2 teksnya yang sudah saya kirim di Google Classroom, atau bisa juga kamu bisa membaca di slide ini. Ini teks pertama. This is the first text. And also this one, the second text. Yeah. Okay, after you comprehend the text, please go on or make discussion with your groups. Yeah. Okay, now, yeah, after you comprehend the text, yeah, let's study together. What is announcement? Okay, students, what is announcement?
Mr.
Okay, please.
A definition of announcement is a statement made to the public or the media which gives information about something that has happened or that will happen.
Okay, thank you. Great, ya, Fajar Setiawan. How about the others?
Hi, Mister.
Okay, please,
Yeah, Mister.
Arta.
In my opinion, announcement is an information that we can see in a media or someone tell to us.
Okay, thank you, Arta. Your answer same with Fajar Setiawan. Yeah, it is true. Yeah, let's see together or let's see this slide. Okay, maybe one of you can read this one. Okay, I would like to conclude. Yeah, announcement is a
Oh.
statement made to the public or the media which gives us information about something that has happened or that will happen. Yeah, it is about the definition of announcement. Okay, next. What is the essential function of announcement?
Mr.
Okay, please, Fajar Setiawan, maybe.
I think a social function of announcement is to share a plan.
Only that. Okay, thank you. How about the others? How about you, Niscaya Kristiani? Do you have question? Sorry, do you have opinion about this one? Okay, the essential function of announcement, is to share plan, arrange activities and agenda. Yeah, this is about the essential functions of announcement. Yeah. Okay, next, the general structure of announcement. Yeah, announcement is a text. So every text there are some general structure of the text also. Yeah, in announcement there are three general structure of that. The first one is heading or purpose. The second one is content, and the last one is closing. Yeah, closing. Yeah. Okay. This is about the general structure of announcement. Okay, next, the language features of announcement. Yeah. Maybe one of you can read this one. Okay, Arta, I'm so sorry, I can hear. Please unmute. Okay, Arta, please.
The language features of announcement. The first is common expression in announcement. The second, singular and plural noun with or without articles, the, this, whose, my, theirs, and etc. And the last is pronunciation, intonation, spelling, and punctuation marks.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Arta. So the language features of announcement, there are three. Yeah, 3 points. The first one is common expression. Yeah. The second one is singular and plural nouns. Yeah, with or without articles. Yeah, such as a, the, this, those, my, their, etc. And the last one is pronunciation, intonation, spellings, and punctuation mark. So this is the language features of announcement. Good. Now look at this example. Yeah, this is the example of announcement. Yeah. Drama extracurricular. Yeah. Drama extracurricular as a headings or purpose or
Heading.
title. Yeah. And yeah, to all students until please come before 3 p.m. It is about the time information or content.
Information.
Data information or content. Yeah. And the last one is closing. Yeah, closing. Yeah. Head of drama extracurricular. So, yeah, this is consists of closing. Yeah. Okay. Now we please comprehend the text that I have sent in your Google Classroom and then present your result. Mungkin salah satu di antara kamu atau di antara kelompok kamu bisa memberikan pendapat hasil diskusi yang sudah tadi. Okay, maybe one of you present the result of your discussion. Salah satu di antara kelompok kamu bisa mempresentasikan hasil diskusi kelompoknya terkait materi yang sudah saya kirimkan di Google Classroom.
Mr.
Okay, please Arta.
Okay, my friends, I will share you our discuss about the announcement. Before I want to introduce, we are the second group. My member group is Fajar, Faktarian, Nietzsche, and I am.
Please.
In our discuss, that is to check that is the first is an announcement about surprise of campers back to school fairs. So this announcement tells to the others about their shop, where their shop selling the school fairs of a student. And this announcement made in a media.
Okay, please. Thank you.
The second announcement is tell to the others about to inform the speaking or English club.
Oh, English club, okay.
That is will be held at Wednesday, 18 November at 10 a.m. The second announcement made by teachers and the announcement shows to the student of SMA Negeri 1 Mandai.
Okay, thank you. Your result of discussion is very great, yeah. The second group, yeah. How about the others group? Yeah. For the second group, they tells about 2 points. The first one in picture 1, yeah, talking about back to school, and the second pictures, yeah, about the program in SMA Negeri 1 Mandai. Yeah. The program is English Club, ya, English Club. Okay, how about the others? Bagaimana dengan kelompok yang lain? Kelompok 2 sudah mempresentasikan hasil diskusinya. Okay, how about the others? Yeah. Okay, yeah. Now, yeah, let's discuss together, yeah. Based on the text, yeah, for the first text, yeah, talking about back to school, yeah, back to school. This is information about school, yeah. Okay, and the second text talking about, yeah, school programs. yeah, especially for English or speaking club, yeah. The activities or the program will be held at 18, yeah, 18 of November at 10 a.m. ya. Place Hall SMA Negeri 1 Mandehe. Ya. Okay. Ya. Before we continue ya, to do the exercise, maybe do you have questions about our material today?
Hi, Mr.
Oh, okay, please. Who is? Oh yeah, Evan Etika, please.
My question. I have a question
Mm-mm.
that is how to write a good announcement.
How to write a good
A good announcement.
announcement. Okay. How to write a good announcement. All right, students. Yeah.
Announcement.
Now, yeah. Maybe one of you can answer your friend's questions. Yeah. His questions is how to write a good announcement. Pertanyaannya, bagaimana menulis sebuah pengumuman yang bagus?
Okay, I am Mr.
Oh, please, Franz Jason, please.
Okay, Mr. I will give my feedback about every question.
Okay,
The question is how to write a good announcement.
Mm-mm.
In my own opinion,
Mm-mm.
the first is make an announcement in attractive shape or style so people want to read them.
Okay.
The second, use the language that is clear and persuasive.
Mm-mm.
The third, make sure the content are easy to understand.
Mm-mm.
And the last, write down the target audience of the announcement text. Just that, Mister.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Franz Jason, your answer is very good, yeah? Okay, how about the others? Do you have opinion about your friends' questions? Evan's questions is how to write a good announcement. Yeah? How to write a good announcement. Maybe do you have different opinion with Franz Jason?
How to write a good announcement. That is the first, determine the subject of the announcement, which consists of who made the announcement, to whom the announcement is addressed, and what are the things that need to be announced. The second, develop an announcement framework or structure. The third, use clear and persuasive language. The fourth, make sure the contents of the announcement are easy to understand. And the fifth, use a compelling medium or model as a place to pause announcement. And it's good to make announcements that are short, clear, and interesting. That is all, and thank you.
Okay, thank you, Niscaya. Your answer is very clear, yeah? It's very clear. Same with Franz Jason's opinion. But now, I would like to add, yeah, to complete your answer, yeah. The first one is be direct and concise in your announcement, yeah. The second one is write a short, friendly announcement to the points when you are sharing positive news. And the last one is recognize what others have announced in your announcement and motivate your readers to reach similar goals. Yeah, maybe Evan Etika can respect that. Yeah, your friends, Franz Jason and also Niscaya has give their opinion. Yeah, and also I conclude that. Yeah. Now look at your worksheet and do the exercise by yourself. Then present your answer or opinion about the exercise.
I am Mr.
Okay,
Uh,
the first
I
one
will
is,
answer the question. What?
okay, please, Faktaria.
Yeah. I will answer the question of the tax one.
Mm,
First, the social function of an announcement above is to share and inform all school members of the front group of SMA Negeri 1 Mandrehe that there will be a calm holiday next month.
Oh.
Then, generic structure
Generic
of
structure, yeah, generic structure.
generic structure
Mm-mm.
of part A title is holiday camp.
Okay, good.
Of the part B, explanation of content is implementation of holiday camp by all school members of the front quarters of SMA Negeri 1 Mandrehe, which will be held next month at the Bumi Perkemahan Gugus Depan SMA Negeri 1 Mandrehe. That is Mr.
Okay, it's very good, yeah. Thank you, Faktaria. Your answer is very good. Okay, how about the others?
I'm Mr.
Okay, please, Fajar Setiawan Zai.
Okay, in the test one, after I find out called social function and generic structure of the text announcement, and social function is the inform the schedule of camp. After that, generic structure.
Okay.
Generic structure, the first title and explanation content. The title is Holiday Camp, and explanation content is to inform the all scout for John Camp holiday in Bukim SMA Negeri 1 Mandehe for 3 days.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Okay, your answer is very good, yeah, Fajar Setiawan. So, yeah, let's us to answer it together. Yeah, the essential functions of the first text. Yeah, the essential function of the first text is to inform for all the Scouts member to join the camps in next holiday. Yeah, or the schedule of camping, yeah, camp,
holiday.
Yeah. Camping holiday or holiday camping. Yeah. Next, the structure of the text. The structure of the text like this one. The title. The title is, yeah, schedule of holiday camp. Yeah, camping. While explanation or the content of the text is to inform for all the students or for all school member to join the camps, yeah, that will be held in or at Bumi Perkemahan Gugus Depan SMA Negeri 1 Mandehe. Yeah, good, yeah. Next. Now we continue for the second task. Yeah. Read the following text, then answer the questions based on the text. Silakan baca teks di bawah, kemudian jawablah pertanyaan-pertanyaan berdasarkan teks tersebut. Di sini ada 5 pertanyaan. Silakan dipahami dulu, ya. Kemudian nanti kita jawab pertanyaan yang ada di bawahnya. Oke, I will give you time. Ya, please comprehend the text dulu ya. This is the nice information. Food, go Winnie Fufu. Yeah. Place, RPG Beach. Yeah. This is the nice
Go Winnie
information from the
Fufu.
text. Yeah. After you read and comprehend the text, please answer the questions. Yeah. They are 5. Yeah. Okay. What is the announcement about?
I
Okay.
will answer that question. The announcement was about the postponement of the Christmas party, which was shown to us there. The Christmas party will be carried out in January. That it's Mr.
Okay, thank you, Nietzsche. Yeah, your answer is very good. Yeah. How about the others? Next, who is the announcement for?
The announcement was given for our staff to tell them of a meeting we're being at RPG Beach to discuss postponing Christmas party.
Okay, thank you, Jolene. Your answer is very
Yes, sir,
good.
Mr.
Yeah. Announcement. Yeah. To announce for all the staff. Yeah. Okay. Next.
Stop.
Why the party is postponed?
I am Mr.
Okay, please.
Because Christmas is their work session, every year management and supervisor struggle to find the time and energy to host a Christmas party.
Okay, your answer is very good, Lestariani. Thank you. Yeah. Why the party is postponed? Because the party is Christmas season every years. Yeah. Okay. Next. When we'll hold it?
Hi, Mr.
Okay, please.
The activity we're doing we hold it at January 2 or 3 days.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, the activities we will hold at January 2nd until the 3rd. Yeah, 20 and 21. Yeah. Okay, the last questions. What should be staff do when he or she wants to help out with the events?
I am Mr.
Okay, please.
If the staff wants to help the event is encouraged to call Miss Maria.
Okay, your answer is very good. Yeah. When the staff wants to help, yeah, the events, they call Miss Maria. Yeah, they call Miss Maria. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Now, yeah, look at your instrument evaluation or evaluation instrument. Yeah. Do the task. Yeah. Then send your answer in Google Classroom. Yeah. Okay, students. Before we continue to conclude the material, maybe one of you can reflect what's the material do you have in this time.
I'm Mr.
Okay, please, Arta.
Okay, I want to reflect our material today.
Mm-mm.
Our material today about announcement,
Mm-mm.
where announcement is kind of communicative, is of descriptive text, sample until the features, language feature of the announcement. Such it, Mr.
Okay, thank you, Arta. Yeah, your reflection is brilliant. Yeah, it's brilliant. Okay. Now we continue. Maybe one of you can conclude our material today.
Maybe I try, Mr.
Oh, Arta again. Yeah. Okay, please, Arta. Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, the friends, I will conclude our material today.
Mhm.
Our material today about the announcement, where announcement is a kind of the descriptive text.
Mhm.
Generic structure of announcement, the
Mhm.
fourth, the linguistic features of announcement, and the last is example of announcement. That is 5 parts our material today.
Okay, thank you,
Just
Arta.
understand.
Your conclusion is very detailed, yeah. It's very brilliant, yeah. Because your conclusion is very detailed from the first until the end, yeah. From the definition until the example. So, all right, my students, our material today is announcement, yeah. Maybe you can see, yeah. The definition of announcement is a statement made to the public or to the media which gives information about something that has happened or that will happen. This is about announcement. And previously, your friend Arta has explained about the essential function and also the structure of uh, announcement uh, and also the function, and the last one is the language features of announcement. Yeah. Okay. All right, my students, you can hear me. Okay.
Yes,
Students,
Yes,
Yes,
Mister.
Mister.
before we close our material today, yeah, I would like to remind you, prepare yourself to follow the next material in the next meeting. Our material in the next meeting still about announcement. Yeah, please prepare yourself careful. Yeah, yeah. Now, thank you for today. Yeah, hopefully all of the material you understand it well. Okay, my students, thank you for today. Hopefully all of the material we have learned today you can understand it well. Yeah, thank you for attention.
See you, Kak.